Welcome to Data World Solution, your trusted hub for data engineering, analytics, and cloud technologies.
Have you ever seen duplicate transaction in real world production data? For example, same order, same transaction, same customer, but multiple record with different time stamp or status. So today I will show you 4 professional way to remove duplicate in PySpark, exactly how we do it in real world data engineering or analytics projects. So let's get started. So first thing, we need to create a data frame for demonstration purpose. So here I am creating data frame with these schema: order ID, customer ID, amount, transaction time, payment method, and status. And here is the data type of this data frame. So let me execute, and you can see this data is stored in variable transaction underscore df. And let me show you here result. This is the column, and you notice here order ID 110 is repeating entire column. Okay, and order ID 1101003 is also repeating. Okay, and now here we need to notice here order ID 1004 repeating for customer ID and amount. But you see here, notice transaction time is different: 13 hour 45 minutes and 13 hour 50 minutes. And also here status is different. Okay, so here we need to pick here latest transaction time and status. Okay, so let me use here PySpark technique how to remove duplicate from the records. Okay, so viewer, all code used in this video available in description box. Okay, to start with, let me remove all the record that contain entirely duplicate record across all the column. To do that, let me write here code. Our data frame transaction underscore df dot, we need to use here method drop duplicate. Okay, and let me also use here show command to preview of result. Okay, now let me run this code, and you can see here the result. It's written 5 record, because if you don't provide any column argument or method, then it's remove all the record that completely duplicate. So it's remove here row number 2 and row number 3. Okay, so because here order ID 1003, this is a completely duplicate record across all the column. Okay, now let me remove record based on specific column, for example order ID. To do that, let me use here our data frame variable transaction underscore df dot, use here drop duplicate method, and in square bracket let me pass this column. Okay, and in single quote let me write here, and let me also use here display function to preview of result. Okay, and let me run this, and you can see here this time it's keep only 4 records, because it's removed based on order ID column. And even here transaction time is different and status is different, but based on this order ID column, because here 1001 and 1003 and 1004, this record and this record is duplicate, it remove, and it keep only first one. Okay, now let me remove record based on 2 column, for example order ID and customer ID. So this ensure the uniqueness at the level of order and customer. To do that, let me use here our data frame transaction data frame, and let me use here drop duplicate method, and in square bracket we need to use here this column. Okay, so let me use here order ID comma, and same thing we need to use here customer ID. Okay, and let me also use here dot show to preview of result. Let me remove this extra underscore, and now you can see here it's remove record based on this order ID and customer ID. So this is useful to ensure the uniqueness at order ID and customer name level. Okay, So now let me show you how to remove duplicate record based on transaction time and success. Here our is goal to pick only latest record. Here is the 1350 is for order ID, 1004 is latest record, which is status is success. Okay, so to do that we need to use here window function. So let me write here quick code to save time. So here is the code. Let me explain this code. I have firstly we need to import here window function from PySpark.sql.window, and same thing we need to use here row num function from PySpark.sql.function descending order and call function. Okay, and firstly we need to specify here window for partition by order ID. I want to remove duplicate based on order ID, so we use here column. Key column is here order ID and order by transaction time, which is in descending order. Okay, here I am using function descending. Okay, to pick here latest time. Okay, and then we use here rank function using row number function over this our partition window, which is specified using window function. Okay, so we create here row num column. Okay, and then using filter function to filter value which is rank only 1. Okay, so let me run this code and then see here result, and let's analyze here. Firstly we partition here record based on transaction time and order ID. We pick here only latest record. Okay, so we order here transaction time in descending order, so it's first 1 2, and based on this column here 1350 is rank here 1, and old one here rank 2. And then we use here filter function which already discussed in previous video. Okay, if you do not watch, you can watch from the previous video. I give detailed explanation about filter function in previous video. Okay, so we filter here record based on our new column drive column, which is row number column, and which is equal to 1, which equate operator single equal to is reserved for assigning variable in Python. Okay, and then use here drop function to remove this column, and we only pick here this 4 column. Okay, and using display function to you can see here the result. So it's written only here 4 records, which is latest one. Okay, now let me show you last example, which is final example, business logic deduplication. Okay, so let us suppose we want to remove duplicate based on status column, and latest one is here fail, and older one is success, but business team say keep always success over fail. Then we need to assign here status priority. So let me quickly write here code. Okay, so we need to prioritize our status here. Success is 1, means higher priority number we need to keep here lower number, and lower priority number which is fail we need to keep here higher number. Okay, and then we need to create here status priority column in our data frame. Okay, transaction underscore df, and creating here new data frame transaction underscore priority. Okay, and if we also show this here dot display. Okay, and then we using here same window function to partition by order ID and order by status priority, and we also keep here transaction time in ascending order. By default it is in ascending order. And then we use here this transaction priority data frame with rank. We need to create here new column rank using row number function over this partition. Okay, and then we use here filter function to keep only first rank number row, and drop here status priority column and rank, and let's display this best transaction. Okay, using our business logic. Okay, so now you can see here this is the rank using processed here rank 2, and we assigning here status priority and then we keep here based on order ID column. Here is success. Okay, so that's all about in this video. All code available in description box which is used in this video. Okay.
If you find this content helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more practical learning, share it with others.